The date is January 4th, 1959. The Cold War is in full swing, and the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union is heating up like a rocket engine. Just 2 days earlier, on January 2nd, the Soviets had launched a probe that would change history forever. It's named Luna 1. This wasn't just another launch. This was the first time humanity had ever attempted to send an object to another celestial body. The world watched, holding its breath. The mission's primary goal was audacious: to impact the surface of the moon. Can you imagine the pressure? After the success of Sputnik, won a little over a year earlier, the Soviets were determined to maintain their lead in this cosmic competition. Luna 1, also known as Mekta, which means dream in Russian, was a marvel of its time. It was a spherical craft, bristling with antennas and packed with scientific instruments. It carried a magnetometer to study the moon's magnetic field, Geiger counters to measure radiation, and a micrometeorite detector. This wasn't just about getting there, it was about learning what was out there. The Soviets were not just trying to score political points. They were conducting real, groundbreaking science. As Luna 1 traveled through the void, it made some incredible discoveries. On January 3rd, it released a large cloud of sodium gas, creating a temporary artificial comet. This wasn't just for show. This brilliant orange trail, visible from Earth over the Indian Ocean, allowed astronomers to track the probe's trajectory and study the behavior of gas in space. This was a clever and visually stunning experiment that demonstrated the ingenuity of the Soviet engineers. Then came the big day, January 4th. This was the moment of truth. Was Luna 1 going to hit its target? As the probe neared the moon, the tension must have been unbearable in the Soviet control room. They tracked it, listened for its signals, and waited. The probe continued to transmit valuable data, revealing for the first time that the moon did not have a significant magnetic field. This was a huge discovery, completely upending previous theories. It also detected the solar wind, the stream of charged particles flowing from the sun, making it the first spacecraft to directly observe this phenomenon. But then, something unexpected happened. Or rather, something expected didn't happen. Luna 1 didn't crash into the moon. Due to a malfunction in the ground control system, the upper stage of the rocket burned for slightly too long. It was a tiny error in timing, but over a distance of nearly 400,000 kilometers, that small error had massive consequences. The probe had too much velocity. Instead of impacting the lunar surface, Luna 1 zipped right past it. It missed its target by about 6,000 kilometers, which is less than half the diameter of the Earth. So, was it a failure? In the West, some media outlets initially framed it that way. A miss is a miss, right? But the reality was far more complex. The Soviets, masters of turning a setback into a success, quickly reframed the narrative. They declared that Luna 1 had successfully become the first artificial object to reach the vicinity of the moon and enter a solar orbit. And they weren't wrong. By missing the moon, Luna 1 had accidentally achieved another incredible first. It had escaped Earth's gravitational pull and entered a new orbit, not around the Earth, but around the Sun. Placing it between the orbits of Earth and Mars, it became the first artificial planet, a tiny man-made world destined to circle our star for eons. The probe was even nicknamed New Planet by the Soviets. So while the primary objective of a lunar impact wasn't met, the mission was far from a failure. Luna 1 provided a wealth of scientific data that fundamentally changed our understanding of the space between Earth and the Moon. It proved that humanity could send a probe to another world, paving the way for all future lunar and interplanetary missions. It was a crucial stepping stone. Without the lessons learned from Luna 1's miss, the subsequent successes might not have been possible. For example, just a few months later, in September 1959, the Soviets launched Luna 2. This time, they got it right. Luna 2 successfully impacted the Moon, becoming the first man-made object to make contact with another celestial body. And then came Luna 3, which in October of the same year, flew around the Moon and sent back the very first grainy but awe-inspiring images of the far side of the Moon, a side never before seen by human eyes. Each mission built upon the last. The failure of Luna 1 was actually a success in disguise. It taught engineers about the precision required for deep space navigation. It provided invaluable data that helped protect future astronauts and spacecraft. It showed that even when things don't go exactly as planned, incredible discoveries can still be made. Today, Luna 1 continues its silent journey around the sun, a forgotten pioneer of the space age. Its batteries died just a few days after its historic flyby, but its legacy lives on. It represents the courage, the ambition, and the relentless curiosity that drives us to explore the unknown. It's a testament to the idea that in science and exploration, there are no true failures, only learning opportunities. So the next time you look up at the moon, remember the little sphere that was the first to venture there. Remember the dream Mechta that missed its target, but in doing so, opened up a whole new chapter in our journey to the stars. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most interesting destinations are the ones you discover by accident. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss another journey into history. Let us know in the comments what other space missions you'd like us to cover. Until next time, keep looking up.